Namaste friends, I am Acharya Karki Krishnan from Ashtodyam.com. Today, ninth day of Navratri, last day, and this day is devoted to the divine goddess Siddhidatri. Siddhidatri means who is bestower or giver of the best abilities. Siddhi means perfection, the supernatural power, and the Devi who can give you supernatural power is Siddhidatri. And as per scriptures, she can give you 8 types of Siddhi, Adima, Gadima, Laghima, so many 8 types of. She is perfection in action. Brahmavaivarta Puran, Markandeya Puran, like scriptures describe the Devi in very detail. And what is supernatural power? Actually, any power in which the quantum of effort is less than the required for the given result, then it is supernatural. Suppose that I have to move a table and I can move the table without the required effort, then I have some supernatural power. Devi gives it. Basically, she is the Lord of subconscious power, our Parachetana. Our thinkers and ancient seers thought about our superpowers of mind in very deep, and they kept this subject into Ma Siddhidatri. Today we are secret novel and film is bestseller, but this was the secret behind the concept of Siddhidatri. For the 8 days, Devi did a lot of things. She took birth on the first day as Shailputri and completed the journey on the 8th day. She was managing the thing. After removing all the hurdles on the 7th day in the form of Kalrati, but now she hasn't do anything. She do not need to do anything. She just sitting on a lotus. She don't need to be mounted on a lion, bull, ass or anything. She just comfortable having 4 things in her 4 hands: the mace, the discus, the lotus and the conch. She just smiling, doing nothing. And if you want to be a perfect man, you should realize the concept and belief of Siddhidatri in you. Because if you are enjoying your work, whatever you do, you need not to do extra efforts, you need not to pain for that, then you are a master or you are a Siddhidatri. You should understand this. This is the biggest secret of the Indian thoughts. They have characterized each and every god and goddess with a very, very deep calculation and thoughts. And the color very loved to the Ma Siddhidatri is purple. Purple is mixed color of red and blue. Red is the color of Ma, Devi, Durga, and the blue is the color of Shiva. When you mix both the colors, when Shiva Shakti become each other, merged with each other, gel with each other, then Ma Siddhidatri appears. It is also called Ardhanarishwar. You must have seen the pictures of Ardhanarishwar, where half is Shiva or Parvati. This is not something half body, but it is just a depiction to understand how a man or a woman work. I am a man, but a bit woman is also within me. When I became soft, then my woman arises. When a woman takes a leadership skill, man in her arises. This is also very philosophical. And someday I will take a full series on the philosophical and psychological aspects of Devis. But today I will stick to the religious aspects. The mantras for Devi, the first mantra, Bij mantra, most powerful mantra is Om, Hrim, Klim, Am Siddhai Namah. Second mantra is Ya Devi Sarvbhuteshu Siddhidatri Rupena Sastita Namastasya 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 Namo Namah. Third mantra is Om Devi Siddhidatri Namah. एंड फोर्थ मंत्र जो है विच इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द देवी, इट इज सिद्ध गंधर यच्छादैर सुरैर मरैरपि सेव्यमाना सदा भूयात सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदात्री। Devi who is worshipped by and served by the gods, Gandharvas, Yaksha, all the super beings, is bestower of supernatural powers. Let her give me also some supernatural power. What is the way for getting supernatural power? You have to realize that the Devi is within you, because on the 9th day, Devi is to depart, and all the answers of her is going to stay within us. You have to realize that the Devi is within you. And on the 9th day, what is the bhoga or prasada to be offered to the Devi? 9 types of grain called naman, navphal, 9 types of fruits, 9 types of flowers you can offer. And on the day, if you have not offered food to the 9 girls or kanyas on the Ashtami Tithi, 8th day, then you should invite 9 girls to 9th day and offer food very respectfully to them and offer gifts to her, so that Ma will be pleased. So this is the last day, and you will have to dispose of everything after 9th day. So I will want to give some tips to you. First thing is very important is the colors. The water pitcher you have established on the first day. Just take this pitcher or take water from this pitcher from colors and sprinkle on your whole home, because the jal or water has become very powerful with the continuous absorption of energy for the whole 9 days. Sprinkle on your office, sprinkle on your factory, everywhere you can sprinkle. This is very powerful and removes all the negativity. And the jawar, the grain which you have sown in the earth just below the colors, just see, observe what is the condition of this. If it is fully grown, it is very green and looking very fertile, then next 6 months will be going to be very good for you. And if it is looking very in a very bad shape, it has become yellow, pale, then your next 6 months are not very good. And one more thing you can do, just see what part of the jawar or the green grass which has come from the grains is pale and which is green. If first third is pale or in not a good condition, then first 2 months after Navratri will not be good for you. If the middle 1/3 is not good, then believe me, the middle 2 months will not be good. If the newest 2 months are not good, then the another 2 months. So you can divide all these 3 months with the condition of the jawar. And with the experience you will see it always happens, and how to interpret this. Aged persons always see the jawar and forecast about the next 6 months. If they have not grown much, will not grow much. If they have grown very well, then will grow like anything. The whole family will grow. So, and last suggestion for all of you: keep environment in perspective, and do not throw the offerings to the Devi, Mala, everything everywhere. Take better dig a pit in the some earth earthen pit and drop this. You cannot dispose it respectfully. If someone puts feet on these offerings to the Ma, it will be disrespectful to the Ma, to whom you have worshipped for the whole 9 days. So with this, I am ending this 9 days of Navratri. I am Acharya Kalki Krishnan from Ashtodyam.com.